3, 2, 1.
We are very excited to be here as we cut the ribbon and mark the end of this project. It shows our commitment to providing valuable learning environments for every student.
We identified that the best use of this space would to have a centralized freshman academy. And so now freshmen, for the most part, are more insulated within this academy. They're able to see their same teachers all day long. They have actual biology classrooms to take biology in. They have actual art classrooms to take art in.
As a freshman, having like all your classes like put around the same area, it gives you a lot more like, you're like more comfortable because you have everything like in the same area, and it's nice.
This is 2.5 years in to a full 3-year renovation of our entire school building. This wing itself is 3 floors, approximately 20,000 square feet, and gave us 12 additional classrooms, as well as some much needed office space and storage space to help support our students and their learning as well.
It's really nice to have it because some of the older classrooms, they were nice, but you could tell that they were dated. And then also there were some classes being held, like teachers had to share rooms or in the halls. So it's nice that every teacher has a space now.
So far, both students and staff have just been blown away. They feel like they have a really special space.
Keep going. Looks good.
Thank you.